Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills or soft skills. There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They're all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic is Intercultural Communication. Message: friend gives support, good friend gives protection, best friend gives life, real friend gives heart full of love, like you my viewers, YouTube viewers. Coming to the topic, globalization paved the way for open economy for Indian subcontinent. P.V. Narasimha Rao introduced new economic policy, new industrial policy in this country, in the Indian subcontinent. Followed globalization, privatization, liberalization. The whole world has become a village, global village. Okay. So now intercultural communication, why required? You need to know culture of the other people, and those people need to know the culture of us. Globalization paved the way for open economy for Indian subcontinent. Before 1991, there was no open economy in India. With the globalization concept, global citizen has come into existence. I am a global citizen. You are a global citizen. He is a global citizen. So now citizens are global citizens. Collectivistic culture. We-centered focus. Collective identity. We, not I. Individualistic culture. I-centered focus. Individual identity. I, no, we. No individualistic, only collectivistic focus. We statements, not I statements. We centered statements, not I centered statements. World is a global village. Already we came to know that. Hence, we are bound to interact with various cultures. We need to interact with various cultures. American culture, the British culture, Canadian culture, Japan culture, German culture. We need to interact with people with their cultures. No? We need to interact. So their culture we know, our culture they should know. That is global citizen. All of us in the world today are global citizens. No Indians, no Japanese, No Chinese, no Germans, no Americans, no Britons. We are all now global citizens in the global world, global village. The world is a global village. We know that. All of you know that. Stumbling blocks in international communication are language, non-verbal misinterpretations, and others. Language, non-verbal misinterpretations are the stumbling blocks in the global village culture, global village scenario. Okay? We don't know Japanese, they don't know Hindi, Telugu, Indian languages. Individual goals and values differ on the basis of their cultural upbringing. Okay? So, individual goals and values differ on the basis of their cultural upbringing. Our cultural upbringing is different. I was brought up in a village. My upbringing was at Chinnaganjam, a village in Prakasam district. My culture may be different. Vanitha culture may be different. Sanjay culture may be different. A's culture different. B's culture different. So upbringing is different. Today, organizations look for skilled professionals who have better intercultural skills. Organizations need better intercultural skills. Okay. Dimensions of intercultural communication are individualism versus collectivism, masculinity versus femininity. Okay. So what are the dimensions for intercultural communication? Dimensions for intercultural communication are individualism versus collectivism, masculinity versus femininity. These are the dimensions of intercultural communication. Communication accommodation is to break down cultural barriers. You need to accommodate the culture of Japan. They need to accommodate the culture of Indian. So, in communication accommodation, what is there? Cultural barriers are to be broken down. You need to break down cultural barriers in communication accommodation. When you want to accommodate your communication with other culture, when they want to accommodate communication with our culture, communication barriers are to be broken down. Message. Love makes life beautiful. Flower makes garden beautiful. Message makes mobile beautiful. Smile makes face beautiful. Keep smiling. Okay? Coming to the topic of the message, domain knowledge, intercultural skills and interpersonal skills are required to excel in the competitive world for the 21st century professional. 21st century professionals are you. You are 21st century professionals. Okay? What you need? You need domain knowledge, subject knowledge, intercultural skills, your culture and foreigners' culture. The culture of the state or country where you are going, and interpersonal skills required for the 21st century professional. Okay, you being the 21st century professional. Appropriate vocabulary, correct intonation, eye contact, body language, and the proper distance are designed for a smooth running of the organization. For the smooth running of the organization, what is required? Appropriate vocabulary. The words you use there, correct intonation, right speaking, right pronunciation, eye contact, make eye contact with people, body language, your body language, proper distance, physical distance, social distance, 2 meters. Okay, these are all required for the smooth running of an organization where you are working. In feminine countries like Sweden, Russia are termed feminine countries. More depiction of relationships between male and female characters is found. More depiction of relationships between male and female characters is found in feminine countries like Sweden, Russia. When compared with masculine countries like Japan and USA. Japan, USA are known as masculine countries. Sweden, Russia are known as feminine countries. Cultures can be two groups, powerful, powerless. Two types of cultures. In the world, two types of cultures. Okay? Powerful culture, powerless culture. Indian culture, I dare say, is a powerful culture. Mind you that. Our culture, your culture, my culture. Three elements in interpersonal communication are worldview, language, and non-verbal communication. In interpersonal communication, what are the elements? In interpersonal communication, what are the elements? Worldview, language, and non-verbal communication. These three elements are there in interpersonal communication. Example of worldview. Let us see what is worldview. Native American views the human relationship with nature, while Euro-American views view of the world is human-centered. Example of language is, if British native tells her American friend to put the bags in the boots, the American may not know to place them in the trunk of the car. Example of worldview we came to know. Let us see the example of language. If a British native tells her American friend to put the bags in the boots, the American may not know to place them in the trunk of the car. So, language. American English, British English. Already given you 2 episodes on that. See, Pretty movies. Check. You will have 2 episodes on American English and British English. In America they use one word, in Britain they use the other word for the same meaning. Okay? That means different cultures use same language in different meanings. Example of non-verbal communication is proxemics exhibits how the people of different cultures have different ways to relate to one another spatially. Then coming to non-verbal communication, what is that? Proxemics. Meaning of proxemics is the way in which how people use space. Study is known as proxemics. That is distance from person to person. That's called proxemics. Proxemics, study of the space between one person and other person. Okay? So, example of non-verbal communication is proxemics. Coming to gender communication, worldview, language usage, and proxemics between genders.
between male gender, female gender, proxemics, how much distance required. So this is gender communication. Then female world view is different from male world view. In communication accommodation theory, people use specific communication strategies as convergence and divergence. In communication accommodation theory, people use specific communication strategies. Two strategies. One is convergence and divergence. Convergence means mixing, divergence means dividing. Convergence positive, divergence negative. Convergence can result into positive interpersonal relationship development and facilitates better comprehension and understanding among culturally different speakers. One message. చీమ దోమ పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నాయి. శోభనం గదిలో చీమ పడుకుంది, దోమ బయట ఉంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్ అడిగారు, ఎరా బయట ఉన్నావు అని అడిగారు. దొంగ ముండ ఆల్ అవుట్ పెట్టుకొని పడుకుంది అని సమాధానం చెప్పింది చీమ. Only Telugu people laughed, enjoyed it. Before closing the topic, I'll give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.